really cute little variation which goes really fast, but it's packed with interesting moments that I would love to discuss. So at first you're dealing with a kind of a fast and rapid bow on the first note, in which you have to use the whole bow here, right? So you have to go all the way to the tip as fast as you can. And then followed immediately by 2 notes on the string with a pickup, off, off. So if you distribute the bow the right way, you should end up at the frog again. So all the way from where you started from the beginning. So here we go again. See? So, but it's important to work this out in your mind, just which note is going to be played at what part of the bow. You have to be mentally very prepared at how to map it out, okay? And you have to best do it at a slower tempo to make sure you really understand and follow the steps the correct way. So that's the first thing is going to happen. Then of course you have the middle section, which is also pretty amazing, pretty interesting. It goes real fast, and followed by the final section, which is played pianissimo from the middle. So similar to what we had in the beginning, but just at a smaller scale. So you don't never reach the frog again like you did in the beginning. So really that's the main thing. And of course you have to watch out for the dynamic change here as well. That's basically it. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about the violin lessons I teach online. Thanks for watching.